Alright, so today what we're going to be learning is how to import footage, set up a new document for Premiere, and then how to make a basic cut for our video and our audio. So first thing we want to do is open up Premiere, and we're going to click on New Project. Once you click this, you'll get a window, and the first thing you want to do for New Project is name your document. So instead of Untitled, I'm going to call this Demo. You want to choose a location where this new file will be held. The ideal location is that new folder you created for this project. So if you hit Browse, Desktop, and then find the folder you created. So I'm going to do it for the coffee footage. And I hit Choose. And the last step you want to do after you choose your folder is make sure that your capture format is HDV. If this is all set correctly, you hit OK, and Premiere will open up. Before we import our footage, make sure that you're on the editing window. Someone may have been using color correction or effects before you came in, so just make sure that you click editing. This will set it up to the way that we've been doing it in class. From here we can go to File, Import, or you can hold Command I and it will bring up our import window. I want to bring in all this footage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first one, scroll down, and I hold Shift and click on the last. Holding Shift will select everything in between our selections. I hit Import, and our footage is now importing into Premiere. It's important that while it's importing, we're not clicking around. We want our computer to focus only on importing these files and no other task. Once it's done, we'll see that all of our footage shows up in this bottom left-hand side. So our cupboard or our pile of stuff is what I usually call it in class. So go ahead and scroll through and find the footage that you want to edit first. So I like this clip. I'm going to double click it, and I can move this marker back and forth to see what that clip actually looks like. And I want to start my edit right here. So I'm going to put my marker where I want it to start, and I'm going to click I for in point. Then I'm going to move my marker over. I'm going to scrub over to where I want it to stop. So right here. I'm going to click O for out point. Now I have this little selection highlighted, so this will be the cut that will show when I bring it down to my sequence. If I want to bring the video and audio down, I click on the actual video. I hold it and I drag it down to my sequence and I let go. Here we can see that our video and our audio came down. If I only want to bring my video down, I'm going to go back up to that cutting board and I'm going to drag just the little film strip. Or if I only want the audio, I can grab just a little audio wave right here and drag that down. Notice on my cutting board, the one that I dragged both of them down, my first selection, both of the audio and the video are selected when I click on them. Here, when I dragged each individual one down, I can select them individually. If I bring them both down and I want to only select the audio or the video, I can control click or right click and hit Unlink. Now I have individual options if I choose. That's it for now. We're going to continue on with some more effects and keyframing in the next demo.